This is the big one. He's so sweet. And they're fighting. Oh my god, they're fighting.
It's so funny.
היא רוצה את השחורים.
Let me see the black ones. Okay, Shirley. This is Zorro. Look at his face. 1 second. תראי לי, לא. תראי את כולו, אבל תראי את הפנים שלו. זה זורו. You see? He's got like a Zorro mask on his face and he's... Oh, he's so cute. Okay. That's Tasmanian devil. He's the devil. He's got pink nose and he's all black all over. He's cute. He looks like a bear. It's Mitzi. That's feisty. He's got nice markings all over his body. That's my favorite one. That's the gray, light gray one. I think she's a female.
Oh, Emily Polycastro, dude, she's such a freaking druggie now.
את זה הראינו לה כבר. את זורו
Mom, do
הראינו
you
לה.
remember
את השחורים
Emily
הראינו לה,
Polycastro?
לא?
Okay, she's not even listening to me, but that's okay.
אז הנה כולם.
She's not even listening to me.
רגע, צריכה להראות לשירלי.
Move your hand, Tova.
רגע.
Remember Emily Polycastro?
Hey, she coolie boo.
She's such a druggie. She caught somebody looking for... What?
אני מצלמת. It's a video. It's a video. This guy's pretty. This guy.
I tell you Dakota has braces now?
She does?
Yeah.
Mitzi. You're a good mommy.